20, 21, 22. Where was I? Huh? 41, 42.
Hello? Hello? Zuzu, I have some wonderful news for you. Can your mom bring you over here? Okay, that's perfect. They are coming back from vacation, and I'll introduce her to Minnie and Manny, and she'll be so happy.
Is Zainab coming? She's such a cute girl.
Yeah, but I'm calling her Zuzu, Mommy.
Okay. I haven't gotten used to calling her Zuzu.
Anyway, we were playing hide and seek outside. I was looking for a place to hide when Mutlu was counting.
And so then?
I suddenly remembered Zuzu was coming back from vacation today. I wanted to call her and introduce her to Minnie and Manny. I came and called her, and she's going to be here very soon.
Wait a minute. Is Mutlu still counting outside for your hide and seek game?
Oh, I forgot to hide! Whatever, I'm sure that he still can't count to 50.
44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
Don't hide behind there, Manny. Mutlu will find you.
Then I guess I'll have to fly higher.
Where should I hide?
La 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 la.
Best to ask you, Mock. Ah.
151. Wait, 151?
Mutlu was supposed to count to 50, right? Why is he still counting?
71, 72, 73, 74.
Did you say Zuzu is coming? What does Zuzu mean? Oh no! It can't possibly translate the dog voice to a human voice. Maybe it's the earplug that's broken?
Zuzu. Did you say Zuzu?
88, 89, 50. Now I'm coming after you. Yumak, I saw you. You're out.
Minnie, Manny, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside you.